In this video, you will learn how to master the art of joining text in Excel with two powerful methods, the concatenate function and the ampersand operator. Concatenation is the process of combining text from multiple cells into a single cell or result. It allows you to merge data from different parts of your spreadsheet into a cohesive string. The concatenate function is a built-in Excel function designed specifically for joining text strings together. The syntax is equals concatenate open parenthesis text1, text2, and so on close parenthesis. You can include as many text arguments as you need. Each text argument represents a cell reference or a text string enclosed in quotes that you want to combine. Let's illustrate this with an example. In column A, we have the first name John. In column B, we have the last name Smith. In cell C1, the formula equals concatenate open parenthesis A1 quote space quote B1 close parenthesis. This formula joins the text in cell A1, which is John, with the text in cell B1, which is Smith, separated by space. The result displayed in cell C1 is John Smith. The ampersand, which is the and symbol, is another way to concatenate text in Excel. It serves as an operator that joins two or more text strings together. The syntax is text1 ampersand text2. This method is more direct and often quicker to type than the concatenate function. Here is an example using the ampersand operator. Cell A1 contains the text hello, and cell B1 contains the text world. The formula in cell C1 equals A1 ampersand quote space quote ampersand B1. This formula combines the text from cell A1 with the text from cell B1, inserting a space in between. The result in cell C1 is hello world. Let's summarize the key differences between the concatenate function and the ampersand operator. The concatenate is a function-based method, while ampersand is an operator-based method. Concatenate requires more typing than ampersand. Ampersand is faster and simpler than concatenate. Here are a couple of best practices to keep in mind when concatenating text in Excel. First, use the ampersand for simple concatenation tasks, as it is quicker and more straightforward. Second, always remember to add spaces between words when necessary to ensure the concatenated text is readable. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.